Oh, hello. I was just fake playing a video game. But we should probably talk about day 21 of my 30-day Godot challenge. So let's go into the project, and I'm gonna go back to fake playing a video game. Okie dokie. Here's the project. First things first, I need you to solve a little debate I had with someone. What does this look like? What does this character look like? This is new, but I need to know what you think they look like. So what does that look like to you? Throw it in the comments section real quick. I'm genuinely curious, because if it doesn't look like what I need it to look like, I might need to adjust it, or I might say, I've spent enough time on this and move on. But just tell me what you think that looks like. And then I'll decide whether I'm changing that later. But this is the project so far. So we've got left and right. We've got a jump. And this feels pretty good. This feels the way I want it to feel. I kind of float down. See, that's one of the glitches. When I shoot down, according to some research, it has to do with move and slide and not saving velocity in the Y properly. So I have to look into that. And then here's another glitch I have. When I go to crouch, if I release this, I get stuck. I know why that's happening. I haven't thought of a way to prevent it. Like, see that? There it is right there, shooting down. So, that's the game so far. Is there any code to go over? Sort of. I mostly spent my time creating this animated sprite and dialing in the way the jumps work and all that. So, we'll hop into the code real quick, just to say we did that. So, what happened in the code? Mostly this is just a new function right here, animation. And all I'm just using this function for is to handle my animation, because I have a lot of booleans for some movement, like jumping, and then crouching I have one. So if I want to make a crouch animation, I can. So this is just, a lot of it's just if jumping, pass, elif velocity is not equal 0, play movement, elif shooting, play shooting animation here, else, and then animate. I still gotta do the shooting stuff, but I may put that off a while longer, because I've already spent so much time, and if I've got player movement dialed in, shooting I'm hoping shouldn't be too complicated. I did it in my space shooter game, so I'm hoping to use some of the same stuff that I used there. But yeah, short, sweet, to the point. It's how I like it. So, that's it. So that's day 21 done, and man, is progress so much slower than my space shooter project. I didn't anticipate it taking that much time just to dial in the player movement. I guess that was naive of me. The two things I want to take care of for day 22 is the falling kind of glitch, where if you fall off an edge, you go shooting straight down. I did some research online. It seemed to be a simple fix, but because I've got my own custom physics script, it's making it a little bit more complicated in my mind. The other thing I want to take care of is the crouching glitch I have, where if you crouch and you're in an area you're supposed to be crouched and you let go, you get stuck. I understand why that's happening, but I need to prevent the player object, the player scene, from actually uncrouching when they're in an area like that. I'm actually thinking right now off the top of my head, if I do an area 2D, I can just force the player to be crouching in there. That might be a good solution, actually. I'll try that. So awesome. I'm glad I'm talking to you, because I just came up with a solution for that, and I think it'll work. Awesome. So hopefully I'll catch you on that to see if an area 2D was the solution for that. All right. Bye.
Concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.